Wow, I just arrived in Naran and it already feels like a winter wonderland. I can't believe this. The mountains here feel endless.
This view, it's surreal, like something out of a dream.
These meadows are straight out of a fairy tale. Every step feels like walking in a postcard. Trying trout straight from the river. Wow, this is delicious.
This cold morning in Murray and a hot cup of tea, life doesn't need anything more.
Hey Zias! Whew. The forest looks magical from up here. Ending the day with this view. Pakistan is truly breathtaking. Hunza looks like it's frozen in time. Unreal beauty.